Hi, let's continue with our SAT practice test. Here comes a probability problem. Each face of a 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 through 14, with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling a 2? At this point, we must remember the probability formula. The probability that 8 occurs is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. In this problem, we want to find the probability of rolling a 2. And we're going to start with the total number of possible outcomes. If we roll this 14-sided die, we can get a 1, or we can get a 2, we can get a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, or we can get an 8, a 9, a 10, an 11, a 12, a 13, or a 14. In that way, the total number of possible outcomes is equal to 14, that's right. And now we're going to focus on the number of favorable outcomes. In how many of these outcomes do we get a 2? In only one outcome. That's right, in only one outcome. So I'm gonna write that one over here. That's it, we're finished. The probability of rolling a 2 is 1/14. 1/14. The choice A is the correct answer. That's all for today. We will continue with more SAT practice problems over there. See you next lesson.